Welcome back to CMS Academy, and we are going to discuss about the design and appearance of your WordPress site. And we start with how to customize a WordPress site. So when you log into your admin dashboard, move where you have the appearance, and you'll see themes, then you see the word customize, and you click that menu, customize. So when you have clicked customize, as you can see here now, we have the site title and tagline. These we are told the customizer allow you to preview changes on your site before publishing them. You can navigate to different pages on your website to preview. So let's start. So on your site title and tagline, ours is just main WordPress. This is my demo site. It's meant to be my demo site. Then we move to colors. This is the header background. As you can see here, the header is black, so this is a color. So if you change it to be like SA red, you can see it have changed. Even this one is a background color, sorry, it have changed to be red. So let's remain to be the color as a background. You can have a header image. Let's put one, and maybe use this one. You're going to crop and select and crop. Want only the site. Yes, crop the image. You have the background image. It is meant to be white. Background, either it should repeat or not. Then we have the widgets. We are going to discuss them later, how we are going to set all of them. You can save and publish. Let's look at our site, WordPress. This is the site. Yeah, this is our site now. This is where we had this is the header image that we have incorporated. You can see this is our logo. This is the top menu. This is the main menu, and this is the footer copyright area, and this is the endorsement of our theme. And we have been opportunity even to change the background color. You can see now it is red. Initially it was black. Let's continue customizing. And these are static pages. That's where I told you, this is where you give the page where if you put a post, the page that post will appear. And you also have the home page, which is the front page. You choose the page, it should have the content of your home page. So when you look to our theme here, we have somewhere you have the frontier options on our theme, and maybe in any other theme that we are going to use, you are going to see that to be having somewhere you can customize the theme on its own. There's the display. you can upload a favicon as upload. Let me check if I have one. I don't think I have. Close. Oh, this way you can add a favicon. When you look at our site, you can see we have the top menu. This is a top menu. This is the top menu. I've highlighted it. This is a header and this is the main menu. So when you come to the theme, if you don't want to show the top bar, you click there. You don't want to show the site title, you click. You don't want the description, you click. And you don't want to show the top menu, you only want to remain with the main menu and then the header. So you can click all of them, but if you want to show them, you click all of them. Then here you can set the maximum. You set the maximum height of the header. Let's put it at 100 pixel. This is our logo. So you can add your own logo. So you can click, you can remove, then you add your own logo. You can show the main menu. There is a main menu, and the one that we are going to use in our site. And then the footer text. If you can write WordPress is 2013. Still 2013. Then you click save the options, and you have been saved. You move to the layout, and when you look at our site, you can see we have only two bars. This is the right side bar and the main content bar. So you don't want that. So let's choose the default to be this one, where you have two sidebar. You have the container. You can increase the pixel. Let's be at around 1100. Let's mean at 1150. The sidebar, let it be 70 and 30. This one be 60 and 2020. And you save the options. These are how they are going to be displayed. As you can see, we have not even coded. Yeah, you can see now you have two sidebars, and you have the main content bar at the middle. You have the block view. These are all the functionality for you to customize on the block view. You can remove all these, should not be on. Click save the options. Then you have single view. You can remove all of these. Page content, you don't want to allow commenting, and I want it just to remain the page. Here we have removed. Now you can see it's brown. To see the media, initially we used to have the edit. Now we don't have the edit. We used to have the person who have published the page have removed, and even the date that person have removed. So we want it to remain as only the title of the page and the content of the page. The other one is the widgets. So these are the widgets that are supposed to be shown. We are going to discuss them later. You have the colors. You can set the main color. And the top bar color, you have the header color, and have the main menu, bottom bar, the link color, and the link cover. You are going to change them later, but this one you are going to change them according to your preference or your client's preference with the This one had a slider, so we are not going to use the slider. Maybe you can activate the slider then you insert the sliders that will be going to be used with the image. Then you have the custom CSS. This custom CSS is if you want to have a different arrangement or appearance of your text in your website, you are going to put that miscellaneous CSS text here so that they'll be incorporated in your website. The other one is the miscellaneous headings. So when you come here, you can see if you are having something we call the Google Analytics code, you are going to put here, because Google Analytics code will be tracking the traffic of your website, where a user came from, the number of users you have, the number of sessions, the number of users who are coming back, the IP address. So that's why you put that Google Analytics code such that it will be used by every page of your website. So the other part is where you have the disable responsive layout. What I mean by responsive layout, when you come to view your site, you can see if we fold it back, you can see it is resizing in a way that it can be in a position to be accessed by a mobile phone. It can be accessed by an iPad, by an iPhone, and a mobile phone, since it is responsive to any device. You can see being able to browse it using your phone, and the content just arrange itself in the right way. So this theme is one of the best, and you don't need to develop a mobile site or a tablet site or the desktop site. You only need develop one site and use a policy we call Walla, write once, run anywhere, because you don't need it because it will be going to be used by all the devices. It will be responsive with all the devices. And the other part is disable the editor. No, you are not going to disable. Remove the theme URL. Yes, you can remove the theme URL. It is this one you are seeing here, and the bottom where you have this, where you be having, you have the frontier. You can see you have the frontier, so you can remove and click save options. And there was the colors. You had to check this one when you are changing the color, because if you don't change that one, the custom color will not be used. They are going to use the one that they are already coded in the theme, which you are going to see later. They are coded in the theme, so you have to check that one so that the website you use these colors that we have set here, and click save that options. So the color that we have, the primary color, the top bar color, the header color, and also the main menu, the bottom bar, the rank color, the rank hover color, they are the one now that are going to be used in the site, because we have checked this box to enable the color option. Other element on the coding here can be changed to the custom CSS option, and background color for the body, the one you can see here, which is purple, which is reddish, is the one which we are told here you can change by just the show of click. So that's how now you are in a position to customize your website without even a single coding. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorials, which you are going to discover about how to add a theme and customize it. So thank you.